Hello. Today we're going to be solving limits using a graph. So recall that the limit as x approaches a number from a negative side must be equal the limit as x approaches the same number from the positive side for that limit to exist. So let's do 10 examples. So as limit x approaches negative 2 of f of x. So x approaches negative 2 of f of x. Negative 2 is right here. So on the left side and the right side, they're both approaching the same point. So what is that point? It is at 4. So this is equal to 4. Limit as x approaches 1 of f of x. So on the left side, it approaches 4. But on the right side, or the positive side, it approaches negative 2. And it doesn't matter that this hole is here. It just approaches that value. So since the left limit doesn't equal the right limit, then this one does not exist. F of 1, that's just a simple question. At 1, what is the value? So it is 4 right here because this hole does not count. So it's 4. Limit as x approaches 4 of f of x. 4, since this graph right here is continuous, at 4, they both go toward the same point. So as x approaches 4 from the negative side and the positive side, they both are negative 2. Okay, what about f of 4? F of 4 is also negative 2. Limit as x approaches 6 of f of x. So let me erase this. So x approaches 6. There is a hole and a point. So, but it's the limit. So when x is approaching 6. So from the left side, you're using this, and it's approaching 6 from here. On the right side, it's approaching 6 from here. So this point does not matter in this number 6. They both will approach 5. F of 6, this is a hole, so that is not counted, and it's this point right here, removable discontinuity. So this is also 2. And limit as x approaches negative 4 of f of x. Negative 4, just because a hole doesn't mean there's no limit. So because this side approaches the same thing as this side, they both approach 2. F of negative 4 does not exist because there is a hole there and there is no other point. Limit as x approaches 5 of f of x. So let's just see where f of 5 is. So f of 5 is around here. And since it's continuous, they both go toward the same point. So f of 5 is 2.